Good morning, guys. So it's Saturday and I'm getting ready to go on another tour. I just had breakfast, so now I'm going to walk downstairs to get ready to be picked up. And the guy who's like organized it is somebody who's also from the same town that I am. So that's so funny and like small world. Yeah, and yesterday was so much fun with Abed. I've met Abed on the airport when I arrived here in Marrakech, and yeah, with some people you just have like an instant click. I don't like trust everybody right away, but I felt like comfortable with him. And yesterday on the square, we were like walking around and just laughing the whole time like little kids, and it was so funny. And he's leaving today and I miss him already because I had so much fun with him. And yeah, beautiful. And before we were able to meet up, we were supposed to meet up at the square, so I told him at the square and at a bank, but you have like several banks there. So he was looking around and I was waiting on him. So and he called me, but I didn't have like my internet on. So I ordered myself a drink, and then I saw like a trash can on the other side of the square, and for some reason something said to me, throw your trash in that can. So I walked there, and all of a sudden I see in the corner of my eyes, I see Abed like searching and trying to call me, I guess. So I guess my guardian angel was like helping. That's what I think. But anyways, I've been moved to a new room. They didn't have like other rooms available. Everything was fully booked, so I wasn't able to move. I did express my disappointment in this whole organization, and that I'm going to file in that I'm tired, and that I'm going to file in a complaint because this is not okay. So this is what I'm going to wear. You know, I haven't like brought any like shorts with me, or you know, to revealing stuff, and it's really like comfortable. You know, it keeps away the burning sun from my skin. So I really feel comfortable with this, and I'm not like really sweating. I'm prepared, so yeah, I like it.
Dorpje Technoot, in ieder geval hoort bij het dorpje Technoot. Dit is eigenlijk de eerste berg,
Ja?
die tegen een dorpje die tegen een berg aan opgebouwd is.
Oké, dit is de eerste.
Ja, want nu gaan we, zeg maar, als het ware gaan we nu zeg maar de bergen in. Net hadden we een hele open vlakte,
Ja?
rechtdoor. En nu gaan we eigenlijk heel langzaam de bergen in.
Ertussen?
Ja.
Okay. So guys, we arrived in a small village called Esni, and it's like very different. It's like you're back in like a different century or something. This is all like old school, but also like beautiful. And these are like our Ubers, you know? But yeah. Let me put my camera on me. It's drawing too much attention.
Het was een maand. Nee, het was een maand. Het gaat zo. Dus ja.
Ik vlieg regelmatig in Nederland en bij Transavia. Je hoeft helemaal niks uit te printen. Je loopt gewoon naar die. Je geeft je paspoort en doen. Ook al heb je ingezet, dan krijg je daar je stoel.
Ik voel al die steen onder mijn schoenen. Ik voel al die steen onder mijn schoenen.
Wel lekker een windje, hè?
Ja.
Ze zijn niet toegelaten water in Nederland. Ja. Zij moeten zelf, en daarom is het misschien
Die hebben ze ook aan een pomp vastzitten. Dus
Oh.
Wil je er een hebben?
Ja, waar kan ook heen?
Ik weet niet of ze lekker zijn.
Ja. Merci. Ja. Oh, we moeten aan de kant. Smaakt lekker.
No. Opa lá dentro.
Assalamualaikum.
So guys, I have like cherries growing here. And they're just like delicious, sweet. Ja, wat is het alleen? Merci.
Ja, ik mag ze niet eten, dus...
Oh.
Nee, ja,
Oh, ja.
Vast hè, Ramadan.
Oh ja, ja.
Kijk, en dit zijn appels, zoals je al ziet. Die appels beginnen ook al een beetje al zijn...
Oh
Maar dat
ja.
is in oktober zijn de appels dan gaan. De kersen zijn...
Kersen is het niet dat hier in Marokko kersen waren.
ja.
Ja, dat is wel.
Je hebt...
Paas met.
Ja, moet je
Echt
kijken,
lekker.
kijk, dat
Ja,
staat erop.
ja, heel veel. Ja.
Ja.
Hoe plukken ze die? Ja, die vallen.
Nee. Oh. Oh, wauw. Oh. Oh ja. Ja? Ja, thank you. Ja, thank you. Ja. Yes. Ja, thank you. Guys. Oh. Pure nature. Wowie. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look. Woo. Ah, merci. Yeah, thank you. So guys, we're having like a small break, a restroom break. Yeah. So you have a lot of beautiful sights here. So it's just like amazing. Yeah, these people kind of live here. They depend on nature, just nature. But they do have like a walnut tree, cherry tree, apple tree. They have water coming from the mountains. So they kind of have all of the basics that I need in life. So yeah, it's beautiful to see. It's a lot of climbing and hiking for me, but it challenged me to be more assertive, you know, to ask people more for help, even though it feels awkward at times. But you know, it's going well. So, yeah, but it's beautiful. But look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is like breathtaking. So the tour existed out of a 3-hour-long walk between all of these cliffs and stuff. So I already like WhatsApp the tour operator or the tour organizer. Hey, a 3-hour walk is like a little bit too long for me. I'm not able to handle that. So do you have some options for that? So he said, yes, we do have like a mule where you can sit on when it gets too much. So the first like part of the tour, I did a lot of walking and I went over my own boundaries. Not something new, of course, but yeah, so it didn't went well. So you know, when we reached the waterfall, I almost slipped. But when we reached the waterfall, I was already like sitting there and just like trying to get my energy back and stuff, and trying to like deal with the pain that I had. So yeah, when it was time to go, they already like had like put the mule ready for me to get on it, and they were also kind of like, we're not gonna do this, you know, you're going on the mule. So yeah, so I went on it, and if I knew it was going to be a ride like that up front, I wouldn't have done it, because it's like kind of scary, because you have like all these slopes or these like hillsides and paths that are like this small, and it's like it was like scary at first, but I really needed to like reset my brain and just like say to myself, hey, you're going to be fine. These people have been living here for centuries. They've been like riding these mules over these like slopes or hillsides for centuries, and they survived it. So are you. It's not your time. Nothing is going to happen with you. And that really helped me, because I became calm. I became calm. I trusted these guys. They were like noble as age, and I felt like completely safe. I felt like cared for. So there was nothing to fear for me afterwards. So I was very awesome for doing that. That was my first time riding on the mule, and you know, I felt like, because I became calm, everything went like natural, you know, everything went natural. So yeah. And the images are like shaky, because you know, I put the camera around my neck, and I needed to hold on to the mule, because you had like a lot of slippery rocks laying there and stuff. So I needed to make sure that I like hold on, like on yeah, that I held on. Hoi. Oh yeah, thank you. Hoi. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Yeah, thank you.
Здесь может морсного, или?
Oh.
هادي
هذه بخير.
هنا هنا خلاص أخرجها يطلع هاتشوف هذا لا كده هوبا
السلام عليكم.
لاباس يهزمك شي بخير.
أهلا my house.
Is your house beautiful? Yes. The best view also. The best view.
Yeah.
Yes. So guys, we just like finished lunch and we're here in you know, one of the houses of the locals here. So they live here and it's like super awesome. I don't know if I'm able to manage with my foot and stuff. Oh, sorry. Beautiful house. So yeah. So this is like a real house and it's like from, yeah, kind of like a traditional house. So I don't know how old exactly or from what year, but but yeah, nice, huh? And I don't think like this is like a place where you can just like regularly, yeah, where you can come like easy or quickly. So yeah, I feel kind of special to come here. Nice, huh? It's only a little bit of climbing for me, but it's awesome. It's a one-time in a lifetime experience for me.
Nee, zo was zero way.
Ja, nog gelukt?
Maar dat is de hoosjes. Hè? De hoosjes is niet mag.
Ja, nou ja, sowieso.
Dat moet je. Zo wat voor. Is het niet zo snel uit? Och ja, dat is.
Nee, er zit ook maar
Als je overnacht zou daar, dat is wel mooi.
Ja, ik had daarna net voordat we gingen van het weekend, toen had ik gelezen, nou, dat ging eigenlijk lezen. En dat je nou eens mogelijkheid had gehad. Ja, ik vind
Met de achtergrond daar.
het dakje zo lekker. Ja, zo'n schuurtje, kijk, is dat leuk. Ja, dat is een schuurtje, denk ik. Ja, een restaurantje is het. Ik zeg, als je de schuurtje zo in kijkt, maar het is geen schuurtje, hè?
Ja, oh ja.
Wist ik ook niet.
Terrasje.
Ja, dat is een mooie foto.
Terrasje, overdekt terras, ja.
Merci. Yes, thank you.
Alsjeblieft.
Dankjewel.
Nou,
Ja, laat het terras zitten.
Was lekker. Dankjewel.
Vergeet je toestel niet.
Nee.